Today's life for consumers in general is quite stressful. They are confronted to traffic jam, to all kind of complicated things, and we believe technology must help people in their life every day, be it in a car, be it on a bike, or be it in a house equipment. At Gate, we strive to meet that demand.
The automotive industry is doing its utmost to ensure high-quality, reliable vehicles by paying detailed attention to the entire value stream of development and to validation efforts.
Gates works with a lot of car makers, actually globally, and these are also providing us with specifications which we do apply to our products in order to cope with the market needs. We do that by applying a virtual and real-life application of engineering. Gates puts a lot of effort in virtual concept development. This enables us to specify, optimize and predict the product specifications in great detail. We do this by in-depth analyses, simulations and detailed calculations.
Based on this kind of data, Gates engineers and designers set to work creating 3D CAD designs and drawings. After which, we build prototypes with the specified and predicted product characteristics.
Gates has a couple of special features included in the tensioner concepts which we apply to the markets.
The Gates asymmetric damping behavior results in a high reaction speed of the tensioner by moving into the belt drive when the belt releases. In this phase, friction damping is low. In the other direction, the friction damping is high. The belt tension remains high as long as it is required to control the torsional vibrations of the belt drive systems. The advantages are a reduced tensioner arm vibration, a better system response, improved belt drive durability, reduction of belt tension to reduce friction loss, improved control of the belt tension during acceleration and deceleration without significant increase of accessory dynamic loads. Next, prototypes are subjected to various comprehensive verification, validation, and release procedures.
Gates performs different kind of testings, starting from lab analysis, chemical analysis, reconstructive analysis in our tribology labs. From a system perspective, we perform system testing on fired engine test at customer or in-house, as well as motor engineering testing and fleet durability testing. Last but not least, also durability testing of our tensioner products, as well as idlers and bearings.
There then follows a full system performance test. Here we verify and further optimize the product characteristics. These tests can be performed in vehicle or in dyno and consist of a series of typical measurements, such as belt slip, pulley speed and angular vibration, tensioner arm movement, belt span vibration, natural frequencies of hub load system, belt tensioners, system and component sound measurement, system alignment, and high-speed video. Our development centers are located all around the world, and all of our local engineering teams are capable of conducting design, analyses, simulation, and testing.
All development centers are basically working on exactly the same quality standards and the same capabilities. That way, each team has the strengths of our global team.
We want to be a strategic supplier to our distributors. That requires that we supply best-in-class coverage of our product range. And this product range we have to deliver at the highest service levels. Some of our distributors, they need to service the workshop up to 7 times a day. We have to make sure that they are enabled to provide that service. Having the right part at the right place at the right time, that makes the difference.